Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, February the 7th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So, three puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic with four stars, and the Sudoku with four stars. Is this really a four stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. But this will be number 5922. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 printed digits. One less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. But for a four stars puzzle, you need, or I need, 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a four star. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. 1, 2, 3 twos. 3 threes. 4 fours. Alright. 5 fours. Wow. 1 5. 2 sixes. 3 sevens. 2 eights. And 2 nines. So the fours are in majority. Can I start with 4? Well, let me see. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be 4 4. 4 4 4. Cannot continue with the 4. Wow. Wow. Only one digit. Okay, let's look for other digits. Yeah. 8. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two marks. So the 7 could be here, could be there. In the middle row, here or there. We see another 7 in the second column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7, okay. 7. 7. 7. 7. Will be difficult, will be difficult. Oh, come on, 9. 2, 5, 8, 8. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 and a 2 in this column, so no 5 and a 2 in this box. 5 and a 2 goes in those two boxes. That's a pair. 5 and a 2, 5 and a 2. So one digit left, should be 8. I will mark those two boxes later on, because it's not in the big square. If I put the 2 and the 5 there, marking those boxes, then I will make a mistake. Perhaps I make a mistake. So I'm careful. You don't want to make mistakes. Alright, 4 in, oh no. We have a 4 here. Wait, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, okay. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. Need an 8 there, I need an 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1. Yeah. 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. Second column, one of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6. Oh, 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 1 and 2 in the third row. So no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as paired. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 5. All right. 5, 6, 3. Okay. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left. 1, 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 digit left in the middle row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5, okay. 5. Yeah. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to think. 3. 1. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be 2 in this column. Third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright, 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 4 still. No success with the 4. 6. Okay. But the 3. 3. Yeah. 9. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5. Yeah. 7. Come on. This is taking too long. 7. 5. Yeah. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. 8 should be there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 159. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, with 5 and a 9 in the last row. So no 5 and 9 in this box. No 5 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. Let me wait for marking those two boxes. 5 and a 9, okay. 7, 3. Should be here, yeah. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 7, 6. Oh. Well. About the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1. No, cannot continue with 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, the 6, 3, the 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the column next, so no 3 there. No, not the column next. In this column, no 3 here. So 1 box left for the 3 in the last row should be there. So the 7 and the 6 are left. 7 and 6, yeah. 3. 3, 3. Yeah, 3 there, 3. 3, 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3, the 5, 3, the 5. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 3, 3, 3, 3. 5, 5. 5 and 8. 1 box left in this row for the 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this middle column, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Oh, wait. 4, 4. 4, 4. No. Then 1 number left in this first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in this column. No 7 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. It should be there. 2 missing numbers Oh wait, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 3 places left for the 7, so we here, or there. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 9 and 6. Yeah. How about 4 and 6? Yeah, one number left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. One number left in the first row for number, I believe, 9. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. One number left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes and there. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, the 7, 3, the 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 7 goes and there. Finish in 17 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Yes, 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. So you cannot tell, although you have less printed digits, I'm faster than the previous Sudoku with 25 printed digits. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.